Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page with a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is a new opening, a new gift, a new plant is blooming for you. What doors are opening? Because there's so many talents that you have, but which one is shining through and giving opportunity right now? Use that, zone in on that, and be the best that you are, the best that you can, and then everything else will fall into place. When one door closes, I am confident another will open, and it will be for my betterment. I accept that life brings challenges, and I acknowledge opportunity in the learning it presents me because it brings strength. Strength, that means you're wiser, stronger. That means bigger blessings are on the way for you because you can maintain them. Serenity comes from within. You're in the right place and right time, doing the right things. Keep on pushing forward. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.